Hey guys, Mr. G again. Now notice you scroll down to week 1, it says day 1, make 2 Google slides. So you're really going to make just a basic intro slide like this. Instead you put your first name and last name and then put whichever period that you're in. So that would give you the first slide. The second slide is pictures that would give the class a better understanding about who you are and what matters to you, pictures of you, family, or just pictures of things that mattered to you. So I did it in a bunch of slides. I want you to just do it in one. So maybe like this slide or this one. Honestly, I would probably condense, make my pictures smaller, and just get them all onto one slide. So I want to be clear, the expectation. Title page with your period number, and one slide. Fill it up with some stuff that matters to you and some images. This should not take a terribly long time. It is not meant to be a long assignment. And as it says, we will use this presentation later in the week. So just be aware we are going to be using this for something else. So enjoy it and good luck.